most of our generation, whichever task we are doing, we should get immediate result, because on the screening whatever we are seeing, immediately we are getting the result. So externally, if we are taking some delay, we are losing our patience. We are not using our values also. That is why before using anything also, whether it is giving correct result, correct useful to me or not, just think and use it, then it will be always useful, always getting the benefit. Blindly if we are using, because of that we are facing some problem also. See, some friends are showing the interest to accept the invitation like that. Might be we don't know, or we are getting more friends. Just like if you accept, na, after few days, after chatting sometime again, if that any problem will come, then that is why in the technology we should not reveal any personal information. We cannot think everybody will think only positive. Some people will think negative also. That is why try to use as much as you need in the right way. You are using the technology for booking cinema ticket or any purpose, but think twice before doing any activity, because everybody using their time, energy, money, these all are very important in our life. Once if we lose, we won't get, right? That is why most of the times while spending with the technology, have same balance in the real life also. I think most of the people 4 to 5 hours also simply spending the time. Even though we are spending also, we are forgetting that giving the relaxation to our eyes and mind also. That is why at least I think some reminders also should be there in YouTube or while using the technology, by using the third party app also. At least every half an hour or 1 hour, just take 2 minutes or 3 minutes gap, get relaxed. Again if it requires, then you can go ahead. But it is not like that. Most of the people simply, if we are using, we never communicate outside people, we never think about taking water or eating food, simply keep on going. See, always try to remember very simple thing. Life is very simple, but because of all these activities, it is making more complexity. See, we are living our life based on either parents' decision or friends' decision. We are showing some interest, so we are not living as per our decision. That life is not actual life, na? So at least once if we know some information, if we realize that one, we can think exactly who I am, what decision I can take, what makes me more happy. It should come from internally, then you can go ahead. See, any decision which you are taking, just keep 1 week, 2 weeks, keep it like that. Again after 2 weeks also, that desire which you take in, the decision still you want to do, that is your real decision. Go ahead with full guts. If you are using 30%, 60% energy to do any work, we are getting that results whichever we are putting the efforts. Even though we have 100%, 120% efforts, why can't we use that 100 or 120% as efforts for using this technology in our real life? Recently I saw one thing, when the kid, he's asking the father, Daddy, I also want to give some money to spend with me. See, we are like involving in the technology, we are forgetting the real life, real moments. One thing I'm telling you, whatever we are seeing also, if we watch the sunrise, it won't equal to your technology related. Even lakhs or 10 lakhs, that doesn't matter which we are seeing that. That naturality can't replace any time. Naturality is always natural. That's